Hey y'all, it's Em here from @the_ilybabe and welcome to my new video. Today we're going to be going through all the treasures and hidden little gems that I found on my road trip. So I got so many items from the Southwest USA, so I'm so ready to try them out. All the items or all the treasures that I found on my New Mexico road trip. So yay, let's get started and see what I found. So a lot of these treasures that I found I actually thrifted, and some of these I'm gonna throw in I thrifted here in LA as well. So I'll be sure to shout out where it's from and if it's thrifted, secondhand, or bought original. So let's get started. So I did the Route 66 route from Oklahoma to Los Angeles. Another place we stopped was in Ash Fork, Arizona, and I got so much amazing cool stuff here. Some of it is thrifted and then some of it I got at like a local gift store. So I'm gonna start off with the stuff from the local gifts store. I got these 2 earrings and a bracelet. So I'll be sure to be wearing those, and that was from a local vendor in Ash Fork, Arizona, so I'm still supporting local businesses. So I also stopped for a yard sale type community sale in Ash Fork, Arizona, and I got so many cool things. Let me just pull them out one by one real quick and then I'll go over them in a bit. So first up, this yellow sweater. I really liked the color. I'm not sure I could really pull it off, but it's low-key giving a Halloween costume, so I may try and use it for Halloween. I got this scarf, which is like so 70s, 80s. I don't even know, but I will be wearing it. Kind of goes with this outfit, doesn't it? And then I got so many purses. So many purses. These were all from a community yard sale. And I'll show you guys the close-ups in a minute, but oh my gosh, this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 purses that I got, and I'm not even gonna like tell you how much she charged me. I ended up tipping like way more than she even initially charged me. I love small towns. So yeah, I'll show you guys the close-ups in a sec. And would you look at that, just from the items that I purchased in a small town off of Route 66 in Arizona, I already spiced up the outfit that I was wearing. And I took it to a whole new level. This scarf is adding fun and flavor, and then the the authentic red leather jacket. The authentic red leather purse looks so cute and really completes the whole vibe. So let's see what else I was able to get secondhand. Ooh. So up next we have picture frames and artwork that I was able to collect from my road trip and vintage / thrift stores. So let's check out what I collected. Some of it needs a little bit of TLC, but we'll see. Alright, so bear with me. So once again, I'm just going to do it really quick and then I'll show you close-ups in a second. So I don't even remember where all these are from, but basically we've got this one, this one, this one. I know they're all different. Maybe I'll do some painting and try and paint them all the same. This one, it needs painting anyway. And then these were clearly from the Salvation Army. So these next two items are from Los Angeles. I don't know, they still had it there when I went, so I got it. And lastly, my crowning find. Look at this baby. I'm so excited. So obviously when I have such a large haul of pictures and portraits, I needed something to carry them home with. So I also got this adorable pink basket, which I think I'm going to use for laundry, and I'm really excited because it's so cute. And yeah, I think I'm going to paint the pictures because they're all different colors, and I kind of want them all to be the same. So I might paint them all the same color. And yeah, we'll see. I just have a couple more items that I got here in LA. So while I was looking for a pet carrier for my new cat, I ended up at a Goodwill here in LA. And I got a bunch of cool stuff, you know. I was in and out too, so I picked this all up very quickly. Actually, these were from the Salvation Army. Aren't they cute? I think they're like hiking shoes. I haven't tried them on yet. Maybe I'll try them on in a minute. And then I also got this gorgeous vase. Kind of matches my outfit. It's my genie bottle. I'm gonna rub it 3 times for wishes. Yay, I'm rubbing it a lot. Maybe I should make some wishes. Oh my gosh, I need to clean this. I still need to work on cleaning all these items. I'm literally like unboxing them for the first time. Okay, up next. Halloween decor. Look at this baddie. We're honestly twinning. Like, I don't see the difference. We're twinning. Welcome, my pretties. It's perfect. So this will be going, I don't think I'm allowed to put stuff on my door, so this will be going somewhere. And then Once again, I have a habit of buying things to carry stuff in. So I also got a white container. Yay! So I'm gonna start putting some stuff away and then I'll show you guys what I got on my road trip. Stick around for more on my channel at the ilybabe. Thank you guys all for tuning in today. I had so much fun revealing my thrifted and secondhand treasures that I got from LA and across the Southwest USA. So I hope you enjoyed my haul. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was, and I will see you guys around. XOXOXO at the ilybabe. It's this gorgeous green gemstone.